Crunchy chickpeas rice bowl with sauteed kale and pickled red cabbage is a very healthy and tasty option for the vegetarian meal options. We would have to prepare all these ingredients separately in order to put this rice bowl together. For making the crunchy chickpeas, we need boiled chickpeas here. You can either boil the chickpeas from the scratch or you can use a canned chickpeas. Just make sure you pat them dry and then add spices into there. I am adding little salt, pepper and little chili powder and also some curry powder. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees and then toast these chickpeas for about 17 to 20 minutes or until crunchy. You can also toast these chickpeas in an air fryer. For the air fryer, the setting has to be 375 degrees and you have to toast them for about 12 minutes. Look at them, how perfectly toasted and crunchy they are after the 12 minutes. Soak few raisins in hot water and keep them aside. Let's dice up some carrots before we cook the rice. Heat a bowl, add some butter and once the butter is melted, add the diced carrots into there. Saute these carrots for about a minute and then season them with little curry powder. Now add the washed rice in here. And now pour in the water and the vegetable broth in here. And season this with enough salt. Please follow the measurements according to the recipe given in the description box below. Mix well and let it come to a boil. Now cover it and then cook until the rice is cooked. Look at that, the rice is very well cooked. It's very fluffy and also it's not sticky too. As we have added enough butter, that helps here. Let's saute the kale here now. Wash the kale and chop it and keep it ready. Heat a pan, add little oil, preferably olive oil if you have. Any other oil is also fine. Then add in the kale in there and season it with little salt and pepper. Now saute this for about couple of minutes. Kale gets sauteed very easily and it will not take a long time. Within 2-3 minutes your sauteed kale is ready. Now zest a lemon. We would need about a half tablespoon of the zest. So after zesting, slice the lemon into 4 quarters. Also dice the red cabbage and keep it ready. Now take a microwavable bowl and add sugar in there. Now take 3 pieces of the lemon and then squeeze the juice of these 3 pieces into this sugar. Mix it well and pour the diced red cabbage into there. Season this red cabbage with enough salt and pepper and also add some water, like about couple spoons of water in there. Mix everything well together and microwave this for 1 minute. Once microwaved, mix it well together again and then keep it aside. Keep mixing it for a couple of times in intervals so that all the flavors get incorporated into the cabbage. Now take sour cream into your bowl, add the lemon zest to it, also add in some curry powder and then squeeze in the remaining 1 wedge of the lemon in here. Season it with enough salt and pepper and then mix it thoroughly. We also have to add little water in here to get a flowing drizzling consistency. Add water carefully little by little until you get the flowing consistency. Now we have everything ready to plate our rice ball. Please like, comment and share this recipe with your friends and family if you have liked this recipe. Also friends, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to receive the notifications of my future videos. Isn't it looking gorgeous with all the colors? Kids also would love this recipe and they would eat it heartfully without making any fuss. Thanks for watching my video and until we meet next time, take care and stay safe.